in a fetal position. And what I saw was a plane tilted and the bottom wing is hung in my office door 20 feet from where I am. And the wing starts to burn. I couldn't see the rest of the plane. And I'm saying to myself, I have to get out here as fast as possible. The survivor